Hey, welcome to Howza Channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to make photos black and white in Photoshop. Open the picture you need in the Photoshop app. Right-click on the layer with a photo and select Duplicate Layer from the list. Choose the duplicate layer. Click on Image at the top toolbar and select Adjustments Black and White from the list. Adjust the different colors to achieve a more defined black and white effect. Click OK once you're done. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!